So today I will be teaching you how to edit a Google Doc once it comes back online. Uh, so let's just wait for that. And we're back. Okay, so first what you're going to want to do is title your document. So I'll just write title. So this is the font size area. That's the font, so you can choose whatever font you want. I'm just going to keep it as Arial. And going back to font size, I'm just going to keep it at 11, but you could pretty much change it to whatever font you want. That's the bold button, so if I were to bold and write my name, that's what it would look like. Italicize, turn bold off. So here's what my name would look like, italicized. And then underlined. I'm going to take italicized off. Underlined. So those are pretty much the three buttons right there. Next, this is to center your text. So if I were to center my text and write my name, that's going back to the left, and to the right, I write my name. And as you can see, the text is pretty much going backwards, so that way it all stays in line. So I'm just going to kind of set up this document, going back to the left side and typing my first name. And now I'm going to double space. In order to double space, you click that button, and you could pretty much change whatever spacing you want, but you could add space before the paragraph, add space after, but I'm just going to keep it with double. And press enter, and this is for Mr. McLaughlin's class. And this is a computer applications course. And the date is October 5th. 2016. Now, every document you pretty much want a title, so I'm going to center and put title and go back to the left. Now, in order to indent the paragraph, you're going to want to press the tab button and press tab, and then you can pretty much start writing your introduction paragraph, which is pretty much what every paper starts off with. I'll just go back, paragraph, there we go. And now you can start typing pretty much your introduction paragraph. So normally your lead goes first, then your background information, or what you want to put into your first paragraph, your facts pretty much. And after that, if you were to completely mess up the spelling of a few things, there are a few ways to properly spell something out. So as you can see, all the pieces of writing have red underlining showing that they are misspelled. So if I would double click on the touchpad over let me just get that back again, it shows you, did you mean the, and that's what I meant. And that word is supposed to be closing, but if I go to tools and where it is, spelling up top, just went over, go back up, there we go. Spelling, and as you see, I meant to say closing and statement, but I misspelled it purposely. Now if I were to undo something, I just click that undo arrow. If I wanted to redo something, I just click that redo arrow, and I could print. I'm not going to print because this is to show you guys how to edit Google Docs. If I wanted to add a bulleted list of something, I press that bullet button, and it bullets, so I could type whatever I want. I delete bullets by just pressing the backspace and pretty much undoing everything I just typed right there. I could share by clicking the share button. It's loading. And it's still loading. But normally, well, it looks like it's not going to load, but normally when you click that share button, you can type in the email address to whoever you want to share it with. And that's pretty much the basics on how to use Google Docs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.